Today, you will learn how to adjust cell spacing for a table in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document and click anywhere inside the table that you want to edit. As soon as you click inside the table, you will notice a small square icon at the top left corner of the table. This is called the table handle. You can click this handle to select the entire table. If you don't see it clearly, simply right-click inside any cell of the table. From the shortcut menu that appears, click on Table Properties. This is where many important table settings are hidden that beginners usually don't know about. When the Table Properties window opens, you will see several tabs at the top, such as Table, Row, Column, and Cell. Make sure you are on the Table tab. At the bottom right corner of this window, you will see a button called Options. Click on this Options button to open another small window called Table Options. This is where the magic happens. In the Table Options window, look at the center area where you will see Default Cell Spacing. By default, this value is set to 0, which is why all cells are stuck together. Now, check the box that says Allow Spacing Between Cells. As soon as you check this box, the number field on the right becomes active. Here, you can type a number that represents the spacing you want between the cells. For example, you can try 1 pt, 2 pt, or even 5 pt, depending on how much space you want. You can also use the small arrows to increase or decrease the value gradually to find the perfect look. After entering the spacing value, click OK to close the Table Options window, and then click OK again to close the Table Properties window. Immediately, you will see your table update, and the cells will now have visible space between them. This simple adjustment can completely change the look of your table and make it much easier to read. If you feel the spacing is too much or too little, don't worry. You can repeat the same steps again and adjust the value until you get the exact appearance you like. This method gives you full control over how tight or loose your table looks. Now that you have spacing between the cells, you can make the table look even better by adding shading colors. Click anywhere inside the table again, and you will see the Table Design tab appear at the top. In this tab, go to the Shading option. Here, you can choose a background color for the cells. Because you now have spacing between the cells, the shading will look more stylish and modern, and the table will stand out nicely in your document. You can also explore similar table features to further improve your tables. For example, you can adjust cell margins to create more space inside the cells, change the border styles and thickness to make the table more professional, align the text inside cells properly, and even resize rows and columns for a balanced layout. All these small improvements together can make your tables look like they were designed by an expert. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Microsoft Word tips and tricks videos to keep improving your skills step by step.